Hi guys, this is the beauty of Singapore and it's now 7:20 Singapore time, and look at this, so beautiful. And that is the Marina Bay Sands. Okay, so this is very nice to walk here, and we are going to Raffles City, to Raffles for barbecue. And let's walk along here from Marina Bay Sands to Raffles Avenue. And it's Sunday. This is a Sunday walk. You know, lots of people here. So, guys, I just show you a little quick video to this place. I hardly come by to this place, so look at that. Lots of people come here and walk like this hour. So look at that, so beautiful. People are taking pictures and videos, and I have to walk that over there. That is a Raffles Fullerton, and look at that, very beautiful. Okay, happy Sunday guys, thank you so much, and I miss you all. I hardly make video now in YouTube because I am very busy. So until then, see you again next time for this quick video. Thank you for watching and have a good night. There's a burger car, good burgers. Oh wow, people are crazy of making TikToks. Some of them making TikToks and see that, it's very nice. The weather also is very nice. Oh wow, this Singapore Taiwanese food truck. So we are going to that Raffles City for the satay barbecue dinner with my sayang, with my friends. So, here we go. Look at that. Okay, bye for now guys. Thank you. God bless all. Very nice.